Did you know that this plant affects your hormones? There are chemicals in this plant that can quietly and imperceptibly affect the human body. At first, nothing seems wrong. The plant is still. The field is silent. But something is already spreading across its leaves, slowly, invisibly. Under a microscope, this quiet wildflower becomes the site of an invasion where foreign organisms feed, multiply, and weaken their host from the inside. And what's happening to it is far more disturbing than it appears. This is the story of a plant that doesn't just live alongside us, but enters our lives in a way that we're just beginning to understand. In meadows, grasslands, and quiet countryside fields across the world, a small but remarkable plant thrives almost unnoticed. This is red clover, scientifically known as Trifolium pratense. At first glance, it appears simple: soft green leaves, delicate stems, and fading crimson blossoms. Yet, beneath this modest appearance lies a plant that has shaped ecosystems, agriculture, and human medicine for centuries. Red clover belongs to the legume family, Fabaceae, a group of plants renowned for their ability to enrich soil. Each leaf is composed of 3 leaflets, often marked with pale crescent-shaped patterns, a signature feature of the species. Its rounded flower heads are not single flowers, but dense clusters of dozens of tiny blossoms, each designed to attract pollinators, such as bees and butterflies. Beyond its beauty, red clover plays a critical ecological role. Through a remarkable partnership with nitrogen-fixing bacteria in its roots, the plant converts atmospheric nitrogen into nutrients usable by other plants. This natural fertilization process improves soil health, supports biodiversity, and reduces the need for chemical fertilizers in sustainable agriculture. But to truly understand red clover, we must move beyond what the naked eye can see. Under the microscope, the plant reveals an entirely different world. Networks of cells, vascular tissues, and microscopic openings known as stomata, where gas exchange and water regulation take place. These structures are the hidden machinery that sustains the plant's life. At the microscopic level, we also encounter one of red clover's most common enemies: powdery mildew. This fungal disease appears as a white or gray powder coating the surface of leaves. The fungus feeds on plant cells, reducing photosynthesis and weakening the plant. High humidity, poor air circulation, and temperature fluctuations create ideal conditions for its spread. Powdery mildew is especially common on legumes, such as clover. Unlike many fungi, it does not require free water to spread. Instead, it thrives in humid air, mild temperatures, and dense vegetation, conditions often found in cultivated fields. As the infection advances, Tiny black dots begin to appear across the leaf surface. These are not insect eggs, nor signs of dirt. They are the reproductive structures of the fungus, designed to survive harsh conditions and spread the disease further. While the fungus feeds, it slowly weakens the plant. Photosynthesis is reduced, growth slows, and the leaf's lifespan shortens. In severe cases, entire fields can suffer reduced productivity, an invisible battle with visible consequences. This disease is not caused by insects, and no animal is responsible. Instead, it is the result of a delicate imbalance between plant, environment, and microorganism, reminding us that even the smallest life forms can shape entire ecosystems. For humans, red clover has long been valued for its medicinal properties. Scientific studies have shown that the plant contains isoflavones, natural compounds with estrogen-like activity. These substances have been researched for their potential role in easing menopausal symptoms, supporting bone health, and promoting cardiovascular function. Modern medicine continues to investigate red clover, balancing its potential benefits with scientific caution. While promising, its compounds must be used responsibly and under proper guidance. Nature offers powerful tools, but understanding them fully is essential. From open fields to microscopic landscapes, red clover tells a story of resilience, connection, and hidden complexity. A plant both ordinary and extraordinary, quietly shaping the world beneath our feet. These are reflections of the divine wisdom and craftsmanship of the Creator, solemn reminders that every element of existence has been formed with intention, guidance, and sacred purpose, and that nothing has been brought into being in vain.